so basically what I'm doing is mixing 40 volume developer with the Clairol BW2 bleaching powder. I actually added some 30 volume developer in that as well, just to make sure I had enough. Honestly, 40 is good, 50 is good. If I want to make the process faster, I add a higher volume just because I'm trying to speed up the process. It doesn't affect the hair, guys. It usually works pretty well. So basically what I'm going to be doing is just combining this together and getting like a real creamy mixy consistency so that I can apply it to the hair. Now I don't know what I'm going to do quite yet at this part, but I'm going to eventually figure out what's going to happen. So basically what I like to do, guys, is start at the bottom. I usually start at the bottom, which makes sense just to make sure that the hair actually turns faster at the bottom. I kind of work my way up, guys, so I can kind of bring the color up. I honestly thought I was going to do like a balayage styled curly unit, but then I thought like maybe it'd be cute if I did a full color unit, so I think I'm going to do a full color. So I'm just going to work my way all the way up. This is a lot of hair, guys. I recommend like dampening the hair before doing this part just because it's a lot of hair.
Excited over you. I closed my eyes and thought of us 100 different ways. I got there so many times I wonder how much you. Day and night, night and day. All I've got to say is it's about your girl and all the things I do to you. I make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I did to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't.
So like I was saying, I ended up going in and completely bleaching the entire unit, guys. It took me about an hour and 30-minute processing, completed all together with me adding the bleach on and then just letting it sit for an extra 15 to 30 minutes. So this is the full look of it so far. Now, once I co-washed this unit, guys, I actually let it air dry overnight before I did my second process. Second processing for me is to kind of tone the hair down. So I'm going to use something that I've been using for years to tone it, very inexpensive. And I think that it actually came out really nice once I co-washed it. The curls are super popping. The hair looks very soft and very, very pretty, guys. But this is too yellow for me, so I'm going to ash it. So the major objective that you want to achieve with this unit, guys, is to really saturate this hair with all the hair dye. I use all 4 boxes of hair dye, dark ash blonde, to color this entire unit. Once you're done using all the color, I would recommend that you guys take the unit and put it in a plastic bag and tie it up for about 30 minutes. I'm going to actually time it so you guys can see I timed it for 30 minutes, let it process, and then I ended up co-washing this one and starting the next process.
So good I get my lips sugar. I want you so fast I can taste your love right now, baby. Day and night, night and day. All I've got to say is if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make you go up my name, might ask who it belongs to you.
So this is the part I rather enjoy. I love customizing the unit. So this is the color of the ash blonde wet. I've completely co-washed this unit. Now what I'm doing is adding the dark brown roots, and I'm using the Clairol box dye. So I'm going to do the side, the edges, the perimeter, and I'm also going to go in and do parting space on this one as well, just to keep it as realistic as possible. Sometimes when you do like a full blonde wig, sometimes it can be kind of like thrown off you a little bit because there's no definition, there's no root beginning. So with this one, I'm going to add roots in it just to give it like a little bit of a presentation. This product is really good. It comes off clear, so you almost think that you made a mistake when you purchased it, but once it oxidizes, it'll actually be brown. Alright guys, and just like that, this is what the hair looks like after being customized and colored. Now, don't get confused. When it's wet, it definitely has like a grayish tone to it. Once this air dries, you guys are going to see how beautiful the color ends up looking like. It's going to be so pretty. And I'm just going to add a little bit of product to the curls just to make sure that they're going to be completely fine. So what I'm going to use on my hair is the Cantu leave-in conditioner and just a little argan oil just to set the curls so that they kind of dry beautifully. So after all of that, this is what the unit looks like. So I'm going to show you guys how I customize the unit, do some baby hairs, tweeze it a little bit, and style it. Now this is the natural light that I'm using right now, so therefore you can see all the aspects of this beautiful ash blonde color. It came out so great, and the dimensions of the blondes are really nice. Now you can see that the roots are not black, they're almost like a dark brown, and I think that I did a good job putting that there just because it looks like it's growing from my scalp. Once I add the finishing touches, you guys are going to see how fabulous this unit turns out to look like. So this is the final look of this unit, guys. So I'm super duper pleased with the results of the coloring job that I've done with this one. Now I do love ash blonde. You guys know I'm like an ash blonde crazy type of chick. I do a lot of the custom ash blonde things, units, and I've always recommended to you guys when you're doing ash blonde, try to keep it really affordable. I use Revlon Colorsilks like it's nobody's business just because they're cheap. I've been using it for years, guys, and it's only $2.68 at Walmart, so you can't beat that, guys, and it does a great job. Now I did fully bleach this entire unit blonde, and then after I bleached it, I went in and added the dark ash blonde from Revlon Colorsilks, and I processed that for about an hour. After I washed the entire unit out, I went back in and did a touch up and did some dark roots, and this is the final result, guys. It's perfect. I love it. I was a little afraid in the beginning just because the texture is very kinky, and I was afraid that it would just be too much going on with the hair. But once I kind of ashed it out, styled it up, and I was like, yo, this is actually pretty cute. Even in the beginning when I was actually fixing the part and stuff like that, when I actually thought I wanted to wear the side part, even like a side part flip over method looks so cute with this just because it looks effortless, it looks sun-kissed, it looks summer, it looks spring. It just has that look to it that I really, really like. So I'm very pleased that I'm able to style this several ways. So this unit was sent to me, guys, from omghairhair.com. Now this is a 360 unit, guys, and it's about 18 inches long, 150% density. So their units do come pre-plucked in the front. So I did a little bit of plucking. I didn't need to, but I was trying to be extra as usual. So I did a little bit of plucking and just added powder on it, and this is what it looks like. I could style, like I said, I styled it on the side part, and then I ended up doing a top bun just because I felt like the top bun looked really clean, really fresh, and really kind of spring summer, like I'm saying. So I thought that it looked really good like this. I don't know. I've been really obsessed with these Kinky curly units, the straight ones that they provide, OMG Her Hair provides, as well as this one. They've just stolen my heart completely. I really do like it, guys. And like I said, I added powder on it, and the powder that I use is the BH Cosmetics contour palette, and it's just like a powder palette, and it's already broken up, guys. You don't have to buy that palette like I always say. You can just use regular face powder or kind of like your contour powder to achieve the powdered look. So don't get crazy with stuff like that. Just kind of use whatever contour powder you have or whatever kind of face powder you have, and you will be perfectly fine. So guys, I'm definitely really pleased with the results of this one. I think it looks really natural. It looks really fun. You can see kind of little dimensions of colors. Like some parts would be like darker blonde, and then you'll get like some nice kind of light blonde. So it just came out excellent. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this baby from this website and customizing it yourself. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.